Most YouTubers waste time chasing virality. Here's how I get 15,000 free views from boring videos. This is the easiest way to make low-effort videos that can generate thousands of views for years. They might not go viral or blow up your channel, but they can raise the baseline for your monthly views and keep it more stable regardless if you post more videos or not. So what are the low-hanging fruits you can make for your channel today? I'll show you an example from my channel. Some time ago, I started using DaVinci Resolve to edit my videos. While it's a fantastic tool, it's difficult to learn. So I figured, why not make a video here and there whenever I learn to do something that is not too obvious? In the last year, I have generated almost 15,000 views from these 5 quick tutorials. I know that by making another 10, I can double those views. So how can you use this strategy? You're using tools in your daily life, in your work, in your hobbies, and you have learned to do 100 little things that are easy for you now, but not so easy for a beginner. If you want to position yourself as a teacher or a guide, this is a fast and easy way to do it. See, I'm a YouTube coach, so it makes sense to help other small YouTubers learn to make their videos. Here is the hidden benefit of this strategy. When you make videos like this, you're likely reaching your target audience. We are usually offering our services to people who are like us 2 years ago and need to learn the same skills as we're using. However, this strategy has potentially a big downside. Even if I got 15,000 views, these videos have only generated 34 subscribers. This is a very low ratio, and I've learned my lesson. To get more subscribers for your channel, ask people to subscribe. Even if it only gets you 20% more subscribers by doing that, over time the difference can be massive. While on the topic, subscribe if you're serious about growing your channel and making money from YouTube. You know, there's no reason to overthink YouTube. Sometimes the obvious answer is hiding in the plain sight. If you want to keep learning how to grow your channel, watch one of these videos next.